My name is Scott. Welcome back to another review. Hey guys, today we are showing you this white dress shirt. We're going to be putting this on and trying it on to see how well it fits. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's not waste your time. All right. So this is how it looks without buttoned up. What's up? So that's the shirt. Let's go ahead and button it up. I always like to start from the very bottom button, and you just align it with the very bottom hole. It buttons up really easy, so the holes are made perfect for the button. Sometimes these can be pretty tight when you start buttoning it up. I normally keep this button open, so we'll test that out. So it's tight when I go like this, right through here, but it's not so tight where my hands are like spring back, if you guys know what I mean. If you're used to dress shirts, sometimes they're tight, and you go like this, and it's like boing. It's tight, but yet when you're relaxed, even at this motion, it's not too tight. I actually do like this. It's long enough, so some of these, when you lift so it comes up pretty high, but it's not showing my skin. And some of these dress shirts, you lift your hands up and just like, hey guys, how y'all doing? But yeah, this is nice. I like it. And you can go to the full top button. It is nice. And of course, once we lose a little bit more weight, we can then fit even better. But yeah, I like it. I think it's nice. It's definitely, I mean, I think it makes my arms look a little bigger. We gotta have fun with you guys. All right, I do like this. It is a nice dress shirt. That's my personal opinion. This is based off of my size. I know I got a little belly here. We are working on getting rid of that. So it's gonna fit and look even better on somebody has a little bit of stomach, but we're working on it. We're getting there, and soon we're gonna be Fly, like Big Fly from Flyland. Guys, we have to have fun with this, right? Isn't life about having fun with what you're doing? And you know what? If this shirt makes me feel like I'm having fun, maybe it'll make you feel like you're having fun.